Welcome my dear students. In our previous video we have been studied about the different types of fibers, synthetic fibers. Today we will discuss about another synthetic fibers which are being widely used in our day-to-day life, whether we are at home or outside home. Everywhere that article is present, which is commonly known as plastic. Plastic is also made up of a synthetic fiber which has a linear chain or cross-link chain. It is made up by cross-linking of synthetic fibers. Plastic is a synthetic material which can be easily molded into any desired shape on heating. Plastic are actually synthetic polymers or man-made polymers. These polymers are carbon chain arranged horizontally or vertically. Plastic can be molded in all possible shapes. They can be recycled, they can be dyed in different colors, reused, or even it's drawn into wire. These plastic materials are used for making toys, suitcase, bags, etc. You have seen different types of plastic cabinet, brushes, chairs, tables, and many articles. Polythene is also one of the most popular type of plastic which is used in our day-to-day life. Some common plastics are bakelite, polythene, PVC, polyethyl tetra, PET, which is commonly known as non-stick utensils. Exactly, it is tetra chloroethylene. Chemically, its name is polytetrachloroethylene. Plastic are broadly divided in two groups or two parts. First one is thermoplast and second one is thermosets. Yani plastic can be divided in two groups, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. A plastic which can be easily bent or softened on heating and molded repeatedly. It can be molded many times in desired shape are called thermoplastics. That means it can be reused or reprocessed to give a new shape and size. That's why it can be used again and again. This sort of plastics are known as thermoplastics. PVC, polythene, nylon are some common example of thermoplastics. Thermoplastics are good for making toys, bottles, combs, containers, pipes, etc. Thermosetting plastics, a plastic substance which once molded into a shape cannot be softened or melted on reheating is called thermosetting plastics. Thus, thermosetting plastics can be processed only once and cannot be reprocessed. This is due to the formation of cross-link between the adjacent polymer chain on heating. thermosetting plastics are used to make hardboard, electric switches, handles of electrical appliances, kitchen utensils, floor tiles, etc. A very common question is being asked in examination कि what are the differences between the thermosetting plastics and thermosetting plastics, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. So you may write these differences in tabular form. On the left hand side of the column you may write thermosetting plastic, and on the right hand side you may write the thermoplastics. Thermosetting plastics are polymers which chains get highly cross-linked on heating, and thermoplastic are long chain of polymer which has no cross-link. Heating also does not produce any cross-linking between these chains. Second difference, thermosetting plastics, once molded, that cannot be reshaped or reprocessed. For example, bakelite table, plastic table, chair, etc. And thermoplastics can be processed repeatedly. For example, polythene, PVC, polyester, nylon, etc. Now we will discuss in our next video the merits of the plastics, advantages of the plastic, and their demerits and disadvantages of the plastic, and their environmental effects or hazards also. We will also discuss the excessive use of plastic and some preventive measure to reduce these hazards. Okay, thank you.